DEFCON, short for Defense Readiness Condition, is one of the U.S. military's most critical alert systems. It's not about panic, it's about preparation. Today, we'll walk through what each level means, how it works, and why it matters. DEFCON is a 5-level system that reflects the state of readiness of U.S. armed forces. It tells leadership how quickly we must be prepared to respond to a major threat, including the possibility of military conflict. DEFCON is not the same as FPCON. While FPCON focuses on base level physical security, DEFCON is about national level defense posture. It addresses threats that could escalate to large scale military action, even war. DEFCON 5 is normal readiness. The color is green and the exercise term is fade out. This is the lowest state of readiness. Troops are trained and equipped, but there are no signs of elevated threats. It is the baseline condition during peacetime. DEFCON 4 is increased intelligence watch. The color is blue and the exercise term is double take. At this level, intelligence activity increases and military units may heighten security procedures. It reflects a rise in concern, but not an imminent threat. DEFCON 3, forces ready to deploy. The color is yellow and the exercise term is roundhouse. DEFCON 3 signals a significant alert. The Air Force must be ready to deploy within 15 minutes. Other forces increase readiness and alertness. This is the highest level often seen in times of geopolitical tension. DEFCON 2, armed forces on high alert. The color is orange and the exercise term is fast pace. This level indicates that war may be imminent. Forces are prepared to deploy and engage within 6 hours. DEFCON 2 has only been declared publicly during the Cuban Missile Crisis. DEFCON 1, maximum readiness. The color is red and the exercise term is cocked pistol. The most severe level is DEFCON 1 and it means nuclear war is imminent or underway. All forces are fully prepared for combat. The U.S. has never officially declared DEFCON 1. Movies often exaggerate DEFCON for dramatic effect. In reality, shifts in DEFCON are carefully evaluated, classified, and executed under strict protocols. It's a serious process, not a cinematic event. DEFCON levels are determined by U.S. Strategic Command with approval from the Joint Chiefs of Staff. These levels can be adjusted globally or regionally depending on the threat environment. Even if you're a civilian, understanding DEFCON levels helps you grasp how our military prepares for emerging threats. It also impacts international relations, security policies, and even economic stability. Now that you understand what it means, you're better prepared to recognize real signals from noise. I'm Sergeant Spotlight. Subscribe to learn more about how our armed forces operate behind the scenes. Stay alert, stay safe, and stay tuned.